Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get new notification sound on Android. Here's how to get a new notification sound on Android in easy steps. First, open the Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for notification sound apps. Type in notification sounds or ringtones. Popular apps include Zedge, MTP ringtones, or notification sounds. Download and install the app. Select a sound app you like and tap install, so I'll choose Zedge app. Open the app. Once installed, tap open to explore available sounds. Then tap on ringtones. Then notification sounds. Browser search for sounds. Use the categories or the search bar to find a sound that suits your style. For example, minimal, loud, and funny. Preview the sound. Tap on a sound, then hit play to listen before choosing it. Download the sound. Tap download or set, depending on the app, to save the sound to your phone. Now hit set notification to instantly make it a notification sound. How about setting it manually? On your device, go to settings, then tap sound and vibration or notifications. Select default notification sound. Tap on notification sound. Choose the new sound. Your downloaded sound should now appear in the list. Select it and tap OK or save. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.